Watch the balloon, it just turns into a little balloon animal. 1, 2, 3. And it looks like one of the coins passes right through. Watch, all I do is flick the paper. Here, now open your hand and look. How many do you have there?
2!
Magic color change card trick. But it's actually not. You can see the card materialize in the photo. This jacket right there.
What?
Is that the card?
What?
EvanEraTV.Com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 7 easy magic tricks that you should know.
And I know you know that I know you.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. Super amazing money trick. So I have $7 bills here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna take 2 here and 5 here. Which would you rather have, the 5 or the 2?
The 5.
5, okay, so I'm gonna take the $2 bills here and crumple them up in this hand, and I'm gonna give you the 5 crumple up in this hand, okay?
And
Hold
you
it
don't
there.
get it back? Yeah,
No, just hold it like that, okay? So check it out. Squeeze it in your hand, okay? And like lock it tight so there's no way I could get to it.
Oh, yeah.
Now look, hold your hand out like this towards mine.
Okay.
Now look, yeah, no, watch. 1, did you feel that?
Maybe?
Look, 2,
Okay.
feel it? 3. Now look, you had 5 here and I had 2 here. Now open your hand and look. How many do you have there?
2!
Look,
How?
there's now
How did you take my money back without me seeing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here.
Wow, that was easy for you, wasn't it? Dang!
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. This trick is called short change. It's an original trick that I invented just for this video. It's super easy to do and it's absolutely amazing. All you need are $7 bills. And this is all about how you fold and hold the bills. Here is the main secret to the trick. You're going to take one of the dollar bills and fold it in half lengthwise just like this, but kind of off center a little bit so that the corners overlap. Then you're going to fold it in half again so that you get these 4 corners poking out. The other one's gonna go on top. So now it looks like I'm holding 5 bills in this one hand. I'm gonna add 2 more loose dollar bills on top of this one face down to mimic the order of these so it doesn't look off, and then another one face up just like this. So it looks like I'm just holding a stack of like 7 random bills. The other 3 loose bills are going to start the trick crumpled up in your hand, concealed from the audience's view. Start the trick by counting off 1, 2 of the bills into this other hand. So now we've got the 2 bills over here, but it looks like 5, and we've got 2 bills over here, but it's actually 5 with the 3 additional crumpled in the hand. So now all we have to do is crumple each one of these up. We're gonna crumple up the 2 by folding this one underneath and then kind of cupping our hand under as we crumple it up. We're gonna hand this one to our spectator. At the same time, we're gonna crumple this one up by just pulling those 2 bills in with the additional 3 that we already have in the hand. Now once you put this one in your spectator's hand, the work is pretty much done. You can give them a fist bump, you can just do a magical wave over their fist and say, look, I'm gonna make 3 of the dollars change places instantly. Have them open their hand, they see that 3 of the bills have somehow left their grasp, and then as a kicker ending, you open up your hand and unfold to show that you have a total of 5 bills now in your hand. Somehow 3 of the dollars have magically teleported from their hand to yours. An absolute miracle. Super easy, you can set it up within a couple of seconds. No gimmicks required. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like this trick. You ever seen the guys who can do like balloon animals, like twist this up like this? Here, hold this balloon just like this, kind of like
what are we gonna make?
Here you go, just stretch it out like that, perfect. If you just grab, there's actually a hidden balloon animal in every balloon.
Oh my! There's no way. Oh my! It's so little. That is so perfect.
Here is the secret to the tiny balloon animal trick. This is called Animinimals. It comes with everything you need to perform this amazing illusion. We have this available now at EvanEraTV.com. So these look like tiny little balloon animals. It comes with all these different shapes that you see here, and it comes with the matching color balloon. And it comes with a number of different variations of the trick. This is my personal favorite. Take the balloon and it just turns into a little balloon animal just like that. So cool and so easy to do. These make a perfect stocking stuffer gift for the holidays. Available now at EvanEraTV.com. It comes with everything you need. So check this out. I have a deck of blue playing cards. Watch, with just a wave of the hand, the deck magically changes into a red deck. Is the secret to the magic color change card trick. This is a very simple sleight of hand move and anyone can do it. So all you need is a packet of cards like this, and you're gonna take one card and pinch it in this grip right here. So one side is clipped between these two fingers, the other side is clipped right here. So from the front, the card is not visible, it's concealed behind your hand. You're gonna have whatever card you wanna change on the front. So you're gonna bring the card up like this, contact the front of the packet and pinch it with your middle finger and your thumb. And then your pointer finger is going to push forward on the card as you release the fingers of this hand and let the card just pop out. So in slow motion, here's what happens. The hand comes up, you contact here, grab, flex the packet outward, and spread the fingers of this hand to kind of provide some cover. You can use this for a bunch of different applications, like changing a red deck into a blue. So grab a pack of playing cards and try it out at home. Here's a super easy DIY magic trick that you can do at home. It looks like a camera trick, it's so visual. Watch, all I do is flick the paper and the color of the heart magically changes from white to red. But watch, I can actually change it back with just a flick. And you can keep doing this over and over, keep changing the color of the heart, and I will show you how to set this up at home right now. This is a super easy DIY magic trick and it's totally self-working. Anyone can do this trick and it's super easy to make. All you need is an index card like this, and you're going to trace the outline of a heart right in the middle. You're then going to cut out the heart using scissors or an X-Acto blade. Once you've cut out the heart shape, you're going to put this little piece aside. You won't need it. All you need is this right here. Now it's time to make our little flaps on the back. You can use a piece of red paper and you're just gonna cut out a little flap just like this. Grab some tape and you're gonna tape it in place right here on the edge, on the back of the card. You wanna make sure the flaps overlap. You wanna make sure it's long enough to cover the heart shape, and then you want to create another flap out of white paper, the exact same size as the red one, and you're going to tape that one on the other side. All together, it will look just like this. Now, here's what's happening from behind that the spectator doesn't see. So we have this side facing them. All we have to do to get it to change colors is simply flick on the side of the color that we want it to change to. So I want it to change red, I just flick the red side. If I want it to change back to white, I just flick the white side. But as you can see, when you flick it, the flaps actually switch places, and that is what changes the color of the heart on the front. So you can do this over and over again as many times as you want, and it creates this amazing visual of the heart just changing in an instant. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this trick, and be sure to try it out at home. Okay, I have a really cool thing to show you. I actually found something at a yard sale.
I bet you did.
I did. It's a old photo of Harry Houdini. Let me show it to the camera here first.
Is it really?
Yeah, so check it out. It's a super old photo of Houdini. You creeped out by it? It's not creepy. It's Houdini, the original king of magic. So here, hold out your hand, and we're gonna put the photo face down on your hand, just like that. Put the other hand on top.
We can't summon anything.
I don't know what you mean by that. Halloween is over. So I have a deck of cards here.
Let's see. Okay.
Right? So I'm just going to, since you have your hands full, I'm going to riffle through them like that, and you just see one card inside the deck, okay?
And say it, or?
No, just keep it in your mind.
Oh, okay.
Not the first one, obviously. Ready?
Obviously.
You got it?
Yep.
You got one? Okay. Keep that locked in your mind. Think about the card.
Okay.
You have it locked in your mind?
Yeah.
You visualizing the card?
Yeah.
We're gonna...
It was really fast.
We're gonna ask Houdini to help us.
No way.
All right, so here, open up your hands.
Are you kidding?
Well, look, let's turn the photo on. Look in this jacket right there.
What?
Is that the card?
What? Yes, it's the card.
What was it?
Stop. king of clubs.
The king of clubs?
I can't even explain how
I didn't even know what it was.
Are you serious? You have to tell me how that works.
Here is the secret to Houdini's last trick. This is a new item we have available at EvanEraTV.Com. Makes a perfect gift for the holidays. This one is super easy to do and it is so amazing. It comes with everything you need for the trick. Full instructions and tutorial are available there. It comes with 2 different photos. You can see this one has the image of the King of Clubs in Houdini's pocket just like that. And this other photo is actually made with a heat-sensitive paper. There's a heat-sensitive film that covers the photo right here. So when they hold it in their hands, they're actually heating up the thermosensitive paper and revealing the image of the card. So you can see when I remove my hand, that card is now revealed right there in the photo. And if we want to make it disappear again, we just take something cold and it will vanish once again. You can repeat this trick as many times as you want. It's super amazing. Head over to EvanEraTV.com. We have this trick available now, or stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win it for free in this week's giveaway. So watch this. I have a really cool trick with 3 sponge balls. This is called 2 in the hand, 1 in the pocket. So have you ever seen those guys on the street with the sponge balls and they'll do like kind of a scam, like a con game?
Yeah.
So they take 2 in one hand and they take the other one and they put it in their back pocket, right?
Okay.
So if I had 2 in this hand and 1 in the back pocket, how many would you bet are in this hand?
2.
2, right? But it's always 3. So that's why it's a scam. So watch, I'll show you again. They always take 2 in this hand, and then they take 1 and they put it in their pocket, right? So how many would you bet are here, right?
2!
2, right? But it's always 3. That's why you gotta pay attention to it. So look, I'll show you.
Talking a lot. I'm trying to watch.
I'll show you one more time. So they take 2, they put it in this hand. They take 1, they put it in the pocket, right? So how many would you bet are in this hand? 2, right? But it's always 3, right? But it's actually not. That's why it's a scam.
Take my money.
Here is the secret to the magic sponge balls trick. It's actually an extra sponge ball. There's 4 sponge balls required for this trick. If you don't have any sponge balls, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm actually giving away a pack of magic sponge balls from EvanEraTV.com, and if you want to get some yourself, they are available now. They come in packs of 4. So you're going to take 4 sponge balls. One of them starts off concealed in the hand just like this. Take 2 of them. You're going to add the 1 extra hidden sponge ball to this hand as you place them in there. Take the other sponge ball and say, I'm going to put it in my back pocket, but you actually don't. You're going to keep it in this hand. Then open this hand to show the 3 sponge balls. You're then going to repeat that same move. Grab 2 of them and add the extra secret hidden sponge ball to this hand. As you close it up, grab this other one and you put it in your front pocket. This is the first time that you actually tell the truth in this entire trick. When you put the sponge ball in that pocket, you actually leave it there. We then open the hand again to reveal 3 sponge balls. You then do the same move. You're going to grab 2, but you're not actually going to put them in the hand this time. You're going to do a retention vanish. Bring the sponge balls down like this. As this hand comes up, you're actually going to pull the sponge balls back into this hand. So it looks like you're putting them in that hand, but you're actually keeping them over here. You're then going to grab this 1 sponge ball and you're going to say, I'm going to put this one in my pocket. Ditch all 3 of them into this pocket here. So now you have all 4 sponge balls here. You say, look, how many do you think are in this hand? They're going to say 2, maybe 3. And then you reveal it's actually none. Super amazing coin trick here. So check this out. We have 3 coins sitting on the glass top table. It's made of solid glass. Watch what happens to the coins on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And it looks like one of the coins passes right through the glass top table. Stay tuned for the secret coming up next. Believe it or not, this trick actually is only done with 3 coins, but only 2 of them are on top of the table to start the trick. The other one is concealed in your hand just like this underneath the table. So you're free to point at the coins, knock on the table, but this coin stays concealed in your hand from the beginning of the trick. Now the other part of this trick is a special coin. This one right here is called a flipper coin. It looks normal, but it actually opens up just like this to where it looks like 2 separate coins. So we add an extra coin just like this, and now the flipper coin is what is going to make it look like 3 and then turn to 2 when I slam this one from the bottom. So 2 things are happening at once. I'm revealing this coin that's been concealed in my hand, and the flipper coin is turning from this to this. So those two things combined create a really convincing illusion that the coin has just popped right through the glass table, right in front of their eyes. Stay tuned to the end of this video if you want to win a magic flipper coin for free. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it too. Let's see if we can get 2,000 thumbs up on this video. Hit that thumbs up button and please share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Snapchat, your Twitter, your Instagram, I already said Twitter, your Instagram, your TikTok. Share the video everywhere. Please help more people. Subscribe to the channel, discover the magic. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you learn new tricks like this every single week. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic tricks that you saw in this video. So all you have to do to win is leave a comment on the video, hit the thumbs up button, and be subscribed to the channel. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Instructions on how to claim your prize are in the description of this video. Be sure to check out EvanEraTV.Com. That is our online magic shop. You can get a lot of the cool tricks you saw in this episode and a whole lot more. We just launched over 10 new magic tricks. They are available now. Be sure to check out the link in the description at EvanEraTV.com. If you missed the last episode of How to Magic, you can catch up by watching it right up here. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.